Are those good, Orion? What do you think of those cotton candy grapes? Are they pretty good? Hey, what do you think? Hey, Ryan.
Wow.
Wow. You thought they were pretty good? You got a wow out of you? Are they pretty good? You want another one? Yeah, I'll get you another one, okay? You want another grape? Hey, it's your birthday today. You can have whatever you want today. Are these cotton candy grapes pretty good for your birthday morning? I'm going to cut this one in half for you. Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just going to get those little seeds out of there for you. I love how you say thank you. You're so sweet. Here you go. Yum. These are so good. Ooh. You didn't want that one. You want another one or are you done? You're all done?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to have a bite. Wow, that's good. You sure you don't want any more? Oh, you're done? Okay. Those are good.